Hello dear, I'm happy you're here. I'm Mama New, I wanna sing with you. Hello dear, I'm happy you're here. I'm Mama New, I wanna sing with you. L-A-M-A-N-O-U-S, come and learn fun new things with us. L-A-M-A-N-O-U-S, Mama New will help you through this. Hi friends! I'm Mama New, and I'm so excited to sing with you. Today, I want to talk about using gentle hands, gentle touch. Do you ever get so excited by something that you just want to squeeze it, grab it, eat it up? I know sometimes I feel that way when I see something really cute, like I just want to eat you. But we cannot treat other living things roughly. We need to be gentle in the way that we interact with anything that's alive, whether it's a person or an animal. We've got to use our gentle hands because we don't want to hurt somebody else. We don't want to make them uncomfortable. So it's so important to remember, even when we're so excited and we just want to eat them up, we've got to use our gentle hands. So today, I want to teach you my song, Gentle Hands. Gentle hands, gentle touch, we don't hurt the ones we love. Even when we love so much, we just wanna eat 'em up. We don't hit, we don't bite, even when it's hard to fight. We take a break, and then a breath. Then we use our gentle hands, gentle touch. We don't hurt the ones we love, even when we love so much. We just wanna eat 'em up. We don't hit, we don't bite, even when it's hard to fight. We take a break, and then a breath. Then we use our gentle hands. What do you think? Did you like that one? I hope that song is useful for you the next time you feel so excited that you just can't contain it. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!